Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the basics. Merchant ID, registered address, and contact email match exactly in Apple Merchant Center. Once done, gather required documents, bank issuer letter, 3 months of statements, and business registration, because Apple needs proof immediately. Now sign in, go straight to the restricted merchant alert, and click Review or Resolve to begin. You'll see required fields and document upload slots. Fill visible fields first, so uploads attach to the correct case, and avoid delays. You must upload clear, properly sized documents. 300 DPI PDFs under 10 MB so Apple can process them without rejection. Next, complete the Merchant Center fields, business type, EIN or tax ID, and a 90-day processing summary, because Apple reviews history to assess risk. Then provide operational details, product pages, refund policy URL, and screenshots of customer support threads if disputes occurred. Once everything is attached, hit Submit, and note the generated case number. You finish by monitoring the case status daily and expect an initial review in 3 to 7 business days. Keep your case ID handy. If Apple rejects the submission, read the denial reason closely, correct those exact gaps, and resubmit with fresh, targeted evidence. Don't resend unrelated files. If progress stalls, escalate. Contact Apple support with the case ID and loop in your acquiring bank or Apple developer liaison. This usually removes administrative delays and restores account access.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.